Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra. On the occasion of Independence Day, first of all, heartiest congratulations to Dr. Saurabh Taneja and Dr. Janvi Bajaj, or I may say Dr. Janvi Bajaj and Dr. Saurabh Taneja in this order, along with the entire team of Conceptual Anesthesia for their phenomenal anniversary again. This is one of my favorite apps in eConceptual. What a great recordings of lectures, beautifully structured app, fantastic in-app notes and wonderful books. The teachers have put in their heart, they've actually poured in their heart to see that all the students who are doing MD, DNB or any branch connected to anesthesia or critical care, they have nothing less than the best, so that whatever is the best of a student, that can be brought out. You know, the tagline, the learning never ends, is so apt, and I'm sure people who have trusted conceptual anesthesia, they should be absolutely proud of the content that has been created there. They should be thankful of all the teachers. And remember, there is every time something to learn from everything that happens in your life. This is what I wish to convey to the great teachers of conceptual anesthesia, and especially to my dear friends, Dr. Janvi and Dr. Saurabh. Congratulations. You have done phenomenal, and this is absolutely a fantastic journey. Till now, we are on a great trawl, and remember, we have not even started. So this is going to be phenomenal further ahead. Thank you. The second beautiful thing I want to talk about is one of most hardworking and dedicated team, that is Conceptual Gynae Ops. When you have Dr. Rana ma'am, supported by greats like Dr. J.B. Sharma, when you have Dr. Aarti Chitkara, who was actually the one who implanted the seed in my brain of getting Conceptual Gynae Ops made, and Dr. Rana ma'am just turned all the pages to see nothing is left to make it a rage among the gynae residents. When you look at OBG residents, they are very, very blessed to have all the teachers with a lot of passion there. When you look at Dr. Aditya, he's seeing that you stay glued to the screen or to the notes. Then you have Dr. Tejas, who is somebody who's doing the backbone work for Conceptual Gynae Ops. And then you have got the phenomenal teachers who have been taking lectures throughout. But yes, any lecture, any notes, we are medical students. We want something in the hard copy. So what I want to announce here is, we have started delivering the Conceptual Gynae Ops lecture companions. The 2 books for gynae and 2 books obstetrics are right here. So if you look at these beautiful books, I'm actually holding the books in my hand. This is a book of volume 1 of lecture companion of gynae, and this is volume 2 lecture companion of gynae. So you are going to get these books. These are 2 gynae lecture companions along with whatever books you are getting in Conceptual Gynae Ops, and this is volume 1 and volume 2 of obstetric lecture companions. So these are beautifully authored, and the foreword is nothing but given by the best man, that is Dr. J.B. Sharma sir, Professor Dr. J.B. Sharma sir. We are really thankful for building up so wonderful team of COBG, and this is something which is wonderfully enriching and going on the taglines again of eConceptual, the learning never ends. And now let's talk to the students who trusted us, right? Somewhere around 2 years back with Conceptual Medicine, right? And then we have medicine, which actually is one of the strongest apps that we have, and the content is ever evolving. And that is why it is something which is like filling up, like the water filling up the bucket from the bottom. So the first 3 books are ready to be delivered. The first 3 books are based upon the internal medicine lectures, that is volume 1, volume 2, and volume 3. They are principally based on the lectures taken by Dr. Dilip sir, are being supported by other faculties, and we will like to mention special thanks to Dr. Dilip sir and Dr. Arohi Joshi. Dr. Arohi Joshi has really built up this content along with Dilip sir and edited the book very well. Trust me, every page of this book has been checked by your favorite Dr. Dilip Kumar, Ravi Kumar sir, also called like the Dr. Dilip MMS and the short form. Dr. Dilip is a very, very passionate teacher. He is a very humble human being. And I'm very sure with these notes, your knowledge for medicine is going to be further enriched. This book is something that will relate to you when you see the patients. Very soon, around the Teachers' Day, we will be giving you 2 more books of conceptual medicine. That is what on the DNB papers, the solved answer sheet. Not stopping here, I do understand you people are waiting to renew or waiting to revive the live lectures and interactions. So now we will see, Dr. Dilip will be releasing a video very soon to tell you the structured course that we will build up in conceptual medicine. We already have great faculties who have taken specialty teachers, but now we're going to have case discussion, MCQ discussions and much more, whose schedule will be released by Dr. Dilip sir very soon. So happy Independence Day. The learning never ends. Happy anniversary to Conceptual Anesthesia team. Congratulations to Conceptual Gynae Ops for new 4 books, 2 for Gynae, 2 for Ops, the lecture companions, and Conceptual Medicine. Heartiest congratulations. You have gotten the groove of releasing the first set of books and very soon on the Teachers' Day, releasing more. This is Dr. Apurv Mehra. Thank you very much for all the trust, for all the branches in eConceptual. Thank you very much.